Hallo! Grüezi wohl, ihr verdammte Schweine. Ich hasse euch alle und ich mache das Video nur, weil ich frustriert bin. Ihr verdammte, dreckige Schnabikatscher. Hello! This was Swiss German. It was a short introduction with a nice hello. I'm gonna translate it. It meant hello. I am very honored to be on your screen without my eyes closing one time. I'm literally staring into my lens and it starts to hurt. Yes. Anyways, today I'm going to test 3 drinks that me as a native Swiss man appear to be American. Maybe one of them is not American. So please do not call ICE and push him out or so. We do not want to get very political here. This channel here is absolutely trash. And every video I have been producing so far has been in Swiss German. So to those 2.5 viewers of mine that apparently watch my videos, I'm just testing out things, and because we are testing American products, I speak English. I mean American. We have here, as already mentioned, 3 soft drinks. The one, which is Mountain Dew, that is definitely not from the mountains. Have you ever seen something so poisonous green that is coming like from there? I haven't. I know like mountain water. That's not from the mountains for sure. The next one we have is Dr. Pepper. This soft drink I have never tasted before. Mountain Dew actually I have already tasted. It was for a short while available in my local supermarket like 10 years ago, but then it vanished. Probably because it looked like battery acid, tasted like it, and maybe even contained it. As we all know, American food and drinks contain usually a lot more sugar than here in the EU, Europe, or Switzerland. Yeah, I'm dumb. Maybe just, I don't know, because of all that AIDS and cancer put into it. Maybe that's the reason why it vanished. However, I found it again today because in the train station of Lucerne there is a store called Drinks of the World. And it happened to be that I often walked past it. I often glanced through it, already knowing it would be costing my life to get into that store. And apparently it actually did. I paid $11 for 3 drinks. 11. And the girl that was on the counter wasn't nice to me at all. She just told to me, yeah, it's 11 bucks. And I was like, okay. So I hold out my iPhone 15 Pro from Apple and pay with Apple Pay. Then I look at her and I wasn't like waiting for something. Like, do you want a receipt? Thank you. Have a nice day. There was nothing. She just looked at me. And I looked at her and then I just grabbed my stuff and walked out. So this store is absolute trash. The next time I'm going inside, make some photos, and then purchase that shit online. Yeah. I was actually hoping there wasn't like a baddie on the counter. Not on the counter, she was standing behind the counter. But I got the fat chick. It was like a goth girl. But I didn't get the goth girl. I got the rude fat chick. Not fat shaming, by the way, because I'm fat as well. Anyways, we should really continue with the video. Yes, we have Dr. Pepper, and then we have here root beer. Also, I never had a root beer before, and I actually do not know if this is an American thing or if this is from, I don't know, the other worlds existing. Yes. All right, so we're gonna check out how well dangerous they actually are with an app called Yuka. It's an app that is, I don't know, let me just get behind the camera for a sec. It's this app here with a carrot. A carrot is a vegetable, probably very unknown to Americans. And by the way, I do not want to harm anyone, just joking. Good. Yeah, do not want to promote this app, but you can scan articles and you can see if they give you cancer or not. So let's do that with Mountain Dew. Just with the barcode that is behind here. It's looking good already. It's looking wonderfully. So what we see here is a score. Wait, hold on, let me zoom in a little. Ooh, that might be a bit too much. So we have a score 0 out of 100. That's probably not good. We see here like added. Ooh, now I have to think about what this means in English. I actually do not know, but things that can give you cancer. 7 things in it. 2 of it are risky. The rest is pretty much okay. It has a lot of calories, 170 calories, and sugar, 46 grams. And a bit of natrium. Yeah, that's good. Very good results for a first potion. Let's give it a little taste. As already mentioned, I already had Mountain Dew and I actually really enjoyed it. But this was the first time I drank something where I really knew this is going to kill me if I would drink it daily. That smell. We're gonna wait, you know what? We're gonna zoom in here a little. I want a very nice close-up of me tasting this. Yeah, this is actually pretty damn good. I thought it would be more special, but it actually just tastes like 7-Up. I had it different in my mind, but also I had it way more aggressive in my memories. So it doesn't feel like I'm getting AIDS or cancer or super duper AIDS and cancer out of this can. Pretty good. Would actually purchase it again if it wouldn't cost $3. Actually $4. This can cost nearly $4. Horrible, really horrible. Let's get going with Dr. Pepper. So this right here, I was really interested in tasting that one because I have heard so much about Dr. Pepper, but I do not know what it is. Is it just a Coke? Does it have pep in the doctor? Is the doctor going to pep me? Giving me a rough pepping? We will see. But first of all, let's check, of course, what's inside. So a quick scan on this should, yeah, apparently it's going to kill me just as much as Mountain Dew does. So we get again here 0 out of 100, 150 calories, so it's a bit healthier, if you want to say so, than Mountain Dew. It has 4. 3 of them are risky, 1 is mid. We have 2 more risky than I think in the Mountain Dew, so maybe it's going to kill me more than Mountain Dew. Yeah, it has a 39 grams of sugar in it, so it's also there a bit better. Also 55 milligrams of natrium. Yes. Interesting. Okay. Oh, I forgot we should check the color. That's why I put the glass on here. Okay, so this is how Mountain Dew looks. You can definitely tell this is something that's definitely, it has never seen a mountain. It might come out of sewers or out of a lab. The nose. Yeah. Tastes a bit better actually out of the glass. Now let's get going with Dr. Pepper. I really like the sound of those cans. They actually do it very well. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, this is probably going to be very interesting. I might gonna enjoy it or really hate it. So, I smell. God damn, I do not know. What the fuck is this word in English? Cherry. How did I forget it? I knew the word. It smells like cherry. It smells like Coke and cherry. Ooh, that smells good. Okay, let's give it a sip. That's good. That's actually good, yeah. I think I would also prefer it over a normal Coke, but it's, well, yeah, it's Coke, just with cherry. Pretty good actually. We see the colors, it's pretty damn brown, which makes me wonder why this is still in America. Why didn't ICE throw that out as well? Interesting. I should probably give a rating. I give this a solid 7 out of 10. And this, I would say like an 8. It's pretty good. I really like it. Not bad. All right. Whew. Let's keep going with root beer from A&W. I, by the way, am mediamatician. So if you do not know what this is an apprenticeship in Switzerland where I'm a graphic designer, a photographer, a videographer, IT specialist, and some more shit. So when it comes to design, I should also judge that. So Dr. Pepper, pretty iconic. Really like it. Like the color, that red tone, is very metallic. It's pretty good. Like you definitely can, when you like walk past it, you sure will find it out. Mountain Dew. I would say it's really damn iconic. There's not many drinks that have acid green and like such an aggressive font, but it's really good, really good. Still, I do not really get it why it's called Mountain Dew, because this is definitely not a drink I would drink when I'm on the mountains, like if I go hiking. Definitely not. It's definitely never has seen a mountain before. It should be like sewer dew or something. It's weird. It's just interesting. When it comes to the design of this, I actually find it very mid. Like it's a weird wooden texture. It's trying to look like a beer. Well, actually it's good. But I think you could make it much more cleaner. It looks like you would just have like used, like you copied in Google just an image, but you usually, it's a stock photo, okay? So you see there's a stock image of wood, of a barrel. Yeah, barrel. It's a barrel. But you do not have the money for it, so you just like copy it, or you make like, you use the scissor tool, clipping tool. Boom. Because it doesn't really look so clean, I don't know. Anyways, let's check how cancer giving this can is going to be. Again, we have 0 out of 100. I see that American soft drinks are interesting. Let's check the additives. We have here 4 in total. 2 of them are risky, 1 of them is mid, and 1 shows it's pretty okay to drink that. We have 160 calories, so it's around like the Mountain Dew, and 43 grams of sugar. It's also pretty similar to the Mountain Dew. It has 0 fat and it has 85 grams of natrium. Huh. Okay, interesting. I do not know what root beer actually is. I mean, it says beer, but is it? I'm not a beer drinker, by the way, because I hate beer and I hate alcoholism. I just hate alcohol. Don't really like it. Not a huge fan of it. Horrible drug. So everyone, keep your hands off alcohol because it's actually shit. Only going to kill you. Well, okay, not straight up kill you, but you know what I mean. Let's open that bitch up and see how it's going to be. Focus is on. Ooh. Ooh. Such a good sound. Ooh, goddamn, that smells horrible. Ooh, it smells like medicine in the... I do not know if I want to sip on that. It's really weird. Nah. Oh. This is by far the most interesting drink I have drank ever. It smells weird. It tastes weird. I think I actually have drank something similar to this once, but I do not know what it was. It's weird. It's very weird. I do not know if I like it or not. Let's see how the color looks like. Okay, it looks pretty much like Coke. Just not that dark. Interesting. Very interesting indeed. It's confused me. Do not know if I like it or not. There's something very weird on my tongue going on. This one here is the most bizarre drink I have ever drank in my life, I guess. I would recommend everyone trying this out because this is like weird. Because this straight up tastes like nothing I could describe. I do know I have tasted something very similar to it, but I do not know what it is. This is weird. You know, you would probably guess this here tastes like medicine and stuff, but it's actually this. I do not know what root beer is. What the fuck is in here? That's not beer, that's not root. What is root beer? I do not know, but I will check it out. Yeah. I'm very sure I had medicine once that tastes pretty much like that. Yeah. Yes, so I do not like root beer, apparently, or at least that one here. It's weird. It's nice to taste it, I like trying it out, but I would not purchase it again. And not because, as I said, it costs like my entire life savings in that stupid ass shop. It's just blah, not that tasty. For me, I think I can understand if someone says this is like totally the burner for them. I would actually understand because it has something very special to it. But I think you either enjoy it or not. It's weird. Good lord. I just gave my parents those 3 distinguished drinks and asked them to give me their honest opinion on them. And they both agreed that Mountain Dew seems to be their favorite. And Dr. Pepper, they kinda said, yeah, it's okay. We still would prefer a normal Coke. And they both said that root beer, this smells terrible and tastes terrible, like medicine. So I got curious and thought, okay, what the hell is actually in it? I just took a picture of it, asked ChatGPT, hey, can you tell me what's in root beer? I didn't say anything else. I didn't give him an opinion, but he just said, All right, bro, here's your root beer breakdown. In clean English, he said it in German first. Okay, ingredients vary by brand, but most root beers, including the one you're holding, follow this structure. It has water in, sugar, or high fructose corn syrup. But here comes the weird shit. It has sassafras in it. S-A-S-S-A-F-R-A-S. Sassafras. Or sassafras. I do not know what it is. In German, it's the same word. I don't fucking know what that is. Now artificial or saffron free because saffron is banned. Good. Then it has sarsaparilla in it. I also do not know what it is. And here comes the weird shit. Wintergreen. Oh, I think my middle finger can't hold that thing much better. Yeah, right. So it has wintergreen in it. And he just says, gives that toothpaste meets forest vibe, or also a lot of people call it medicine taste like. Then it comes vanilla, licorice, I don't fucking know, licorice vibe. Ooh, you're slipping off. Okay, I'm stopping flipping you off, guys, I'm sorry. Cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger. Yeah. Wintergreen. Why would you put that in? Why do you put in an ingredient that apparently smells and tastes like toothpaste or medicine? Just makes me wonder why. Like, chat, I didn't tell him it tastes like that. You just said it. So it's apparently a common thing. Both my parents said, it smells and tastes like medicine. So why do you put that in? I think like if that wouldn't be in there, I think more people would really like it, because cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, ginger, and vanilla sounds like some very good spices for a drink. So I just wanted to let you know that apparently root beer is very weird for people, and it really is. God damn, like. Oh my god. Now I know why. Oh my god, I just know what that taste reminded me. Not toothpaste, but mouthwash. I had one time in my life mouthwash. It tastes exactly like that. Whoa. Fuck, finally I know it. Damn. Yeah, root beer is basically mouthwash. With cinnamon, vanilla, and some other shit in it that usually is very nice, but here not. Here it's actually terrible. Okay, so we have now those 3 drinks here, and I gave that one a 7, an 8, I think a 4. Give that a 4. So we have like Dr. Pepper on top. Well, you know what? I actually think I'm gonna zip on everyone. Like a little on every tip. Oh yeah. That's really much better. Yeah. Dr. Pepper is definitely the peppier one. I would definitely let that doctor deep inside me. While the mountain definitely can get inside me as well. But hopefully just the tip of the mountain, because the entire mountain would stretch me out so horrible. That would hurt a lot. The barrel here would fit my ass as well, not, but yeah, I would not even let the tip in. Maybe a little brush. He can, if you want, he can do this to my anus a little, but a little bit more. So this is it. That's it. That's my rating. I hope the camera is still recording. It has a 30 minutes record limit because of taxes. Because apparently the EU thought it would be a very cool idea to tax cameras more if they are video cameras. And when is a camera, a video camera, when it can record more longer than 30 minutes. So my Sony Alpha 7 III can record 29 minutes and 55 seconds. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for looking at my hair, at my nose, at my lips. You actually have looked at my lips. Do you feel a bit gay now that you are watching a video of a man licking cans, talking about how he stuffs things into his butt, and you will look at the very moment at my lips? You like my lips? Wanna lick the pepper off it, or the root beer? You probably do not want to lick the root beer off my lips, because it tastes like medicine. Maybe you are into it. Makes me wonder if there's lube with root beer flavor. That would be a very nice experience. Yes, leave any kind of shit you want in the comments. If you hate me, if you love me, if you want to make love to me, if you think I'm totally wrong with root beer. It's the best drink in the world, the best essence to get your butt lubricated with. And of course, let me know if, I don't know, you are into men or not. Yes. Also, you can leave a like and subscribe. Well, maybe I do not know if I will make more videos in English. That was like a test out. But you can sure leave a like and subscribe. A like would be good. Imagine this thumb can go up my ass. So if you want me to suffer, if you want to hate on me, give a like, because this is going straight up my butt. That's not going in my butt. That's going. How would you stick that in the butt? It goes down. Does make sense, right? Good. See ya. Yeah. American culture.